welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be installing some parts on my buddy's car. But before we do that, we're gonna get some food and stuff. My friends just got here and their cars were just parked outside. They weren't moving and they got no front license plate tickets. So we're just kind of confused on what's going on. My girl's looking it up. It's like that's even, I don't know, can the cops even do that?
I don't know.
Yeah, so the cars weren't moving and they got tickets for no license plates in the front. That's like, what the hell? Also check out this sick G-Wagon. This color is so nice. It's kind of like similar to my buddy's F82 in the back. Oh look, a Supra. The car would have had to been moving if they were gonna get like a moving violation ticket for no front license plates. Like what if they were gonna like change out the bumper or something? That is so stupid. I guess where I live, they're a little strict on that.
Somebody put, I got 3 in less than a month parked. 2 of them were less than 24 hours apart. I decided to put a plate on.
Wow, so now I know if I'm parked by where I live, I need to have a front license plate or I'm gonna get a ticket. That is the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
Somebody said double-sided tape works fine.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
On your paint?
Right, exactly. Oh my God, we got all the dogs. So this is the car we're gonna be putting the side skirts on right now. It's my buddy Abraham's cousin. We already did the carbon fiber trunk lip on it. It's gonna look so clean. Right now he has the M Performance side skirts on there, but it's in the black finish. Back. You're good right there. So clean. Oh. Careful. Oh shit. This one. Yeah. Damn. No joker. So clean. Got the spoiler on already. Looks so clean. They're way more aggressive. So these are the side skirts we're gonna be putting on the car, guys. You already see how aggressive they are. They stick out so much and the angle down, so it makes the car appear lower than what it really is. Look at that finish though. Carbon fiber is on point. What I really like is how it comes out right here and extends to the back. It looks so clean. Oh, don't strip it. Don't strip it.
Don't strip it.
Don't strip it.
Oh. Double side tape.
Every time I put the camera on his face in like videos, he goes, ah, he does like these weird.
Stop, bitch. I'm not react.
Every video, bro.
I'm not react, bitch. Imagine if I become.
You said you wanted to be the most famous YouTuber here. Oh, let me see the bit that's on there. It could be too thin.
Oh, it's coming out.
Let me just see the screw. Is it like, does it hug it tight though? Because I might get you a better bit. Oh yeah, hugs it. You're good. Yeah. You know, sometimes the little thing's too skinny and like doesn't work.
Fuck, has another one over here. It's just on there. There's like 2 each.
They could have put these on there. What the? What is in there? This light's really helping. Oh, there it is. No, double-sided tape. Just again so we can see. Your light, dude, literally lights up. So these are the side skirts he has on the car right now. They're like in this flat black finish. I believe they're OEM. They're clean, they're nice, they're subtle, but this guy, man, we need something more aggressive. So these side skirts are gonna be perfect. It looks so clean. Also, we did the carbon fiber trunk lip on his car. That looks so good. Nice and high, like Abraham. Damn, they made those bulletproof, huh? Yeah, Jesus. Abraham to save the day.
The fuck is this, like a plastic rubber compound?
It looks like you put it on the bottom of a garage or something. Damn, they're really flimsy, huh? Like, look at these. Wow. What brand is this? It says Home Depot on the bottom. Ask.
Damn.
So, let me see.
Damn.
Oh shoot. Is fitment good on that side?
Fuck yeah, bro.
Wow.
Here, I'm gonna put it in some.
All right, the M6 is for sale. I'm buying M4.
Huh? Well, the same way. What should we do?
Each other?
Bottom?
They just put little squares of double-sided tape just so we can mock it up and it can hold the side skirt in place. And then we're gonna be using some self-tapping bolts so it really doesn't come off. It's not sticking? Damn. What I recommend we do is if it doesn't stick, then one selfing tap at the end and one on the other end, and then how many you guys want to put through it, you know, in the middle and stuff. Money. Ooh, perfect.
Okay. Hold it over there.
Bro, it extends out so much. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dude, oh my gosh. I think we just need 2 screws like this and we'll be good to go. Wow, these look so good. Again, guys, those are the normal ones. Then we got the big daddies over here. So sick. They went in quick, right?
Yeah.
Way faster, but the soft tackle screws are so strong.
You like one
Damn.
Those are grips as fuck. This is nice, bro.
Damn. The M6 is for sale. I want M4. That's good. Damn, dude.
Coming alive.
This looks so good. Wow.
Damn, you gotta fuck with these.
Check out this sick ass steering wheel this guy has. Full Alcantara with the LED strip right here. Looks so sick. I definitely need to get one for the M6, guys. This interior is coming out so clean. We found this on offer, believe it or not, for a major still. We just had to get it for his M4. We just finished up the side skirts. They came out so sick, guys. Look how they look. They stand out so much. Way more aggressive. Let's hear that cold start, bro. Damn. Sounds good. The S55 sounds like a monster. Looks so clean. Yeah, guys, this car's coming together. We're gonna do a lot more carbon on this car. Definitely a 3-piece diffuser's coming soon. Bunch of carbon for the front bumper, front lip, front valences and stuff like that. But now we're gonna pull my car in now because I need to change out my trunk lip, which is paint matched to carbon fiber. M4, M6. What happened? Reverse in, yeah, so kind of just go out that way and then come in. Oh my god, the monster truck fitment needs to go. Looks so good though. You guys look, I already sprayed a bunch of glue gun on here, so they can start loosening up the adhesive. We're gonna get some fishing wire and start prying this off. So good. Spraying a bunch of glue gun actually helped and loosen up the adhesive. Pearl. Butter?
Cover it?
What? No, fuck that. I would take that shit off. Hey, even if it did cover it, it would just bother me. You know, it would bother you too. Fuck it, we'll just put all the little things on it under it too. Fuck. You know, I did that with the M2 and there's a little bit left. I said fuck it because I was so annoyed, but
Get all this shit, bro.
dude, that little orange blade really helps because it kind of like cuts it.
That's all.
That one's like a round edge, huh? What is it? It looks like Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
It's supposedly gonna take my start stop button off. Let's see, put it on. Let's see. Come on, get it, bro. Get it, get it, get it. We spoke too soon. It worked?
Yeah.
What the heck, dude? That is insane.
What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Yeah.
There it is. Oh, there it is. Hey, my first interior mod. That's sick.
That's crazy as fuck.
Now we just need a roll cage. Sick. That was the easiest thing I've ever seen ever, dude. What the heck? What the hell?
The next day.
But it is the next morning, and obviously I have no trunk spoiler on, but we're gonna be installing it right now. Reason we waited, it got really late, guys, and I just told my buddies, no worries, I'll just do it in the morning. But we did polish the trunk up. We make sure we got all the contaminants off, all the old double-sided tape. I don't know if you guys ever experienced this, but the OEM double-sided tape is really strong, and sometimes it's a pain in the ass to come off. But we make sure we got everything off so it's nice and smooth. It's ready for the new trunk lip. Also, I was gonna do carbon fiber mirror caps, but I'm gonna hold off on these because I want to do a different style. The style I want to do, I don't see it too often on the M60s, so I'm gonna wait off on these. The OEM ones will do for now. I'm not even worrying about that. The car is really, really dirty. Let me show you guys. The wheels are so brown. You guys can see the calipers. They're just caked with dirt. And you can see right here, it's kind of hard to capture the paint with all the dirt, but the car is really, really filthy. So before we continue, I'm gonna give the car a full car wash just because I don't wanna put the trunk spoiler on with the fresh adhesive and then wet the car. I'd rather wash the car first and then do it. Real quick, I just wanna give a huge shout out to these guys. Thank you so much for sending me a care package out recently. Now I know I have all the essentials to keep my M6 really, really clean. Today I'm gonna be using their wash and wax. So if you guys are in the market for any type of car care products, make sure to hit them up. I'll put some links down below in the description so you guys can check them out. Okay, car's finally clean and now it's finally time to put the spoiler on. I'm so excited because we do need some carbon fiber back here. So first, I'm gonna start by applying double-sided tape along the whole trunk lip. And then I'm gonna peel it off little by little and line it up. And to stick it on, it should be as simple as that. So yeah, let's go, guys. Just like that, guys, the trunk spoiler is on and it looks so good. Let's check it out from this angle so you guys can check out that weave and fitment. Wow, it's on point. So if you guys have an M6 and you come across this video and you're looking for a trunk spoiler, definitely let me know down below in the comments and I'll be gladly to help you out. Also, we're slowly going to be adding more carbon fiber around the build. I do need to get some side skirt extensions because it looks really naked. But before I think move forward with any more carbon fiber, I need to get rid of this wheel gap because it is just too nasty. I can fit like 4 fingers in between that. That's going to get fixed very soon. But one thing I do love about being monster truck height is you can clear speed bumps. You can go up and down driveways like nothing. So I'm enjoying that, I guess, in the meantime. But yeah, guys, that's gonna end it for today's video. The build is slowly coming together. And again, guys, I promise more exciting videos, but for the time being, I'm trying to document every single thing I do to this car because I have some big plans that are already confirmed. I'm gonna talk to you guys about that in another video. The car is just gonna look insane. Beamerfest 2020, that's all I can say. But for the time being, guys, please enjoy these little mods that we're doing with the car because it literally is bringing it to life little by little. So if you guys have any questions or anything, if you guys are interested in any of the parts you guys seen in this video today, just comment down below and I could definitely help you guys out. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.